It is my pleasure to welcome a wonderful panel. As you know, the topic is examples of improved approaches to priority setting. I would say that the overall theme is innovation, and I'd like to nickname this panel the Who's Doing What panel. It would be the first of two of those. The other one will be tomorrow morning. We see from the discussion today and from all the knowledge that is in this room over the last decades of work on these issues, we see a bewildering array of levels and types of what we know or think we know, and also what we don't know. We see that there are very long cycles for decisions. Is the data relevant enough or not? Is it sufficiently conclusive or not for policy making? And aside from the dollar, i.e. budget issues and the staffing issues that follow upon budget shortfalls, there is the impact of controversy on legislating and on regulating. So for this panel, the question is, and for all of us participating with this panel, what can we do now? Or what can we do soon enough to protect the health of, yes, many millions of people? How do we make the decisions that we need to make? How do we move ahead as we do indeed need to move ahead? Richard Dennison pointed us to this panel in a way by saying, others are doing a lot better. We heard from REACH, and now we have state-led program in California and a country-level program in Canada. And we have innovations both at EPA and at the American Chemistry Council that we're going to explore in the next few minutes. Watch for these highlights as the panelists present. Richard Judson is going to tell us how we are going to solve the too many chemicals problem. Gina Solomon, in the course of familiarizing us with 3 innovative programs in California, is going to tell us about an announcement that just occurred in September 2013, which I hope she will be able to tell us is a milestone. And then we go to Canada with Heather Patterson, where the headline is, not only did Canada pass a toxics law, but get this, America, they also updated it. And they are working on the basis, get this is huge, of a management plan from now until 2020, because they are not content to wait for 5 years before they do the next thing. And then to Christina France, who will talk to us about how the American Chemistry Council chooses its highest priorities for the council and for industry, and how they are looking towards working with EPA in an innovative mode going forward. So, that's what you have to look forward to. At the US EPA, National Center for Computational Toxicology, Richard Judson develops databases and computer applications to model and predict toxicological effects of a wide range of chemicals. He's a member of the EPA ToxCast team, where he leads the effort in bioinformatics and developing the Aggregated Computational Toxicology Resource, otherwise known as ACTOR, database, and which compiles publicly available data on environmental chemicals. Prior to joining the EPA, he was involved in various private sector venues, was a founder of Gamma Bioconsulting, a bioinformatics consulting company. Please join me in welcoming Richard Judson.